Hey guys, so today we're going to take a quick look at a no start diagnostic test, and this is a starter edition. Okay guys, and this is briefly going to describe if you have a no start and it's like a click. I'm going to kind of describe that a little bit. First, you're going to want to get you a tester kind of like this, because our first thing it could be is the battery. This one, the cranking amps is 930, so we're going to turn our tool on, cold cranking amps. We're going to do, we'll say 930, we got 12.96, boom, boom, and test it. It's testing at 8, looks like 851. So that should be enough to turn the starter over. If you're turning it and it's clicking, we could probably rule out the ignition switch because there's electricity actually getting down to the starter. So for this one, it's going to look like a bad starter. If you turn, nothing happens. One thing you can do is you can go down there, take a screwdriver, touch the two things together. If it turns over, then you know the starter's good and you might have something going on with the ignition switch. So that's just a quick little no start diagnosis. This one turned out to be the starter and it was just clicking. So there you go.